Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a quick DIY restore on the Vachetta Leather on my Louis Vuitton handbag. So you're going to start with some baby wipes. This is really the only thing we're going to use. This is very straightforward. I got these baby wipes from Target. They are all natural. They don't have any preservatives or any ingredients that would dry out the leather. So you want to look for a very short ingredient list. Usually baby wipes aren't going to have too many harmful things in them, so just find one that has a good short ingredient list. Then you're going to take the baby wipe and you're going to rub down the leather. Any leather that you want to darken and begin to tan, you want to wipe it down. So I did the handle on both sides. I did the trim all the way around the bag. Basically anywhere where it had that untreated cowhide leather, I wiped down. You want to make sure you wiped it down evenly. You don't want any darker spots as you wipe it down. So just be sure to do even strokes from one end to the other on whatever piece of leather you're wiping down. Once you do that, you're going to lay your bag out in the sun. I did this outside. I live in Arizona. The sun is very strong, and so I didn't really have a window that had good even sun exposure at the time of filming this video. But you can place your bag inside as well in a windowsill that gets good even sun exposure. Just make sure you flip the bag so that the parts that aren't exposed to the sun get an even amount of sun. So just flip it at a even interval. I did the same thing outside. I flipped it over. I only left my bag in the sun to tan for about 10 or 15 minutes because it was the leather or the canvas was starting to really heat up, and I didn't want to like reshape my bag or anything crazy. So after 10 or 15 minutes, you're really gonna see I got really good results. My bag really tanned. It got rid of the wet spots. So the leather was starting to look even, and you can do this as many times as you please. You can do it back to back. Just make sure that it's completely dried, so that way you really get a true sense of what the color has tanned to. You can do this every couple months. You can do this as soon as you get your bag. It's really up to you. I've had this bag for about 2 years, and this is my first time ever treating the leather. I got the water spots on it about a year ago, and I just never did anything about it. But it was starting to bother me a little bit because as the bag is aging and as it's tanning more, the spots were becoming more prominent. So I went ahead and did this quick restore, and that's really it. You'll see I left the keychain strap untreated so you can see what the leather looked like before, and then you can see how it got that really pretty caramel color after tanning for only 10 or 15 minutes. So check this out. Please try it. Let me know if it worked for you. Drop your thoughts in the comment box down below. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone if you found it helpful, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.